Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the DogeBull token using Trust Wallet and PancakeSwap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything you have to do in order to buy this token. But before we get started here, I just want to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials coming out on my channel. So if you guys are interested in crypto and you want to learn how to buy, how to sell, and lots more to do with the space, I'd really recommend subscribing to this channel as I have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, first things first, we're just going to open up our Trust Wallets. And when we open up our Trust Wallet here, I'm not going to show you guys how to buy BNB or transfer BNB in this video. If you guys need to learn how to do that, I'll have separate tutorials linked in the description and in the comment section down below if that is needed. But I'm going to already assume that you guys have BNB inside of your Smart Chain wallet in your Trust Wallet already and that you're ready to go. So once you guys have that BNB in your Smart Chain wallet, you just want to go ahead and get the contract address for this token. So I'll have another link in the description to CoinMarketCap, and that's where we're going to get the contract address for this token. So if we just head over to the CoinMarketCap link, it'll bring us to this page right here. Now all we have to do is go down where it says contracts and just copy the contract. Once you copy the contract by clicking on those two squares there, all you have to do is exit back into Trust Wallet. And once you're back in Trust Wallet here, you just want to go to the top right of your screen where you see the two lines and two circles and click on that. Then you just go ahead and paste the contract address up in the top search. Once you do that, you'll see the DogeBull token pop up. So we can just enable the token and then click on done. Now, once you have the token enabled inside of your Trust Wallet, you can now go ahead to PancakeSwap. And I'll have a link over to PancakeSwap in the description as well if that is needed, or else you can just Google it yourself and go on PancakeSwap. And I'll show you guys what to do once you're on PancakeSwap. And once you guys are on PancakeSwap here, this is what the trade screen looks like, or the exchange screen. And all you have to do first off is just connect your wallet. So you just want to go to the top right corner of your screen where you see the Connect Wallet button and click on that. Then right here, we're going to have an option for Wallet Connect. So we're going to click on Wallet Connect. And then right here for Trust Wallet, we're going to click on Trust Wallet, but feel free to use any other wallet. MetaMask is a very popular one as well. So you guys can just click on MetaMask here if you're using MetaMask. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you with Trust Wallet. So we just go ahead and click on Trust Wallet. And that's going to open up this screen inside of our Trust Wallet, asking us to connect our wallet to PancakeSwap so we're able to swap out the coins. So we're going to go ahead and click on Connect for this. Then we're going to head back over to PancakeSwap. Now we'll know our wallet's connected when we see this little wallet icon in the top right corner, as well as our balance of BNB, right of a BNB right here. So now all we have to do is just click on Select a Currency. Once we do that, we can go ahead and paste the address that we got from CoinMarketCap up in this top search. Once that's done here, we'll see an import option for the DogeBull token. So we just go ahead and click on Import, I understand, and then Import. Now once we have both BNB and DogeBull right here, now all we have to do is change our slippage tolerance. So to change your slippage tolerance, all you want to do is go beside where this little settings gear is and click on that. And then here, where it says swaps and liquidity, we can go ahead and change our slippage tolerance here. Now, I'd try to start on 12% for this token, but you may have to move up if it doesn't go through, depending on how much liquidity is inside of this token as you guys are going to buy it. So you can start off with like 12%, maybe a little bit higher, and that should be fine. But you can exit out of here now, and then you just have to decide how much BNB that you want to transfer into the DogeBull token. So let's just say, for example, I want to do 1 BNB. I can go ahead and type 1 BNB, and then it will show me the estimated amount of the DogeBull token I'll get in exchange. Now, if you guys are happy with that right there, all you have to do is click on where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. It's basically going to tell you to swap right here, and then it's going to open up another page showing you a broken down version of your transaction, basically showing you your fees and things like that. So if you're comfortable with that, you can go ahead and click on swap one more time. Once that is done there and you get the successful notice, you're going to go back into your Trust Wallet, and then the token will appear here usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to buy the DogeBull token using BNB and PancakeSwap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.